Hello students, we are going to discuss chapter 23 comprehension. So, for the half yearly we have to prepare two comprehensions, that is first and second. Today we will discuss the topic, the comprehension Sinhalese in Sri Lanka. So before we start the comprehension, we will just see what is comprehension all about. The comprehension comes from the word comprehend, means to understand something thoroughly. So what is the meaning of comprehend? To understand something thoroughly. So what is the activity we have to do in comprehension? What we have to do when you get a comprehension, when you get a paragraph. Or a paragraph is given, the students are supposed to read it carefully and understand the main points being discussed in the paragraph. So when you get a paragraph, you are supposed to read the paragraph carefully and understand the main points being discussed in the paragraph. That is what first we have to do. Okay. Then a few questions are given at the end of the paragraph. These questions are taken from the same paragraph. And the students are supposed to find out their answer from the paragraph and write it in your own words. So the second thing we have to do that, a paragraph is given and at the end a few questions are given at the end. And these questions these questions are taken from the same paragraph and the students are supposed to write the answer from the same paragraph and write it in your own words. So it seems very easy, but also it is a little tough task. And what is the purpose of comprehension? So why we give a comprehension to you, to the students? It is to evaluate the students whether they are able to understand the paragraph in English. So why we give the comprehension? To evaluate the students to understand whether they are able to understand the paragraph in English and answer the questions from the paragraph, and also it helps the students to improve their English. So when you give a paragraph, when you are given a paragraph, the teachers help the students to understand the paragraph and also write it in your own words so that we can understand how much you can understand English and how you are able to write it in your own words, the question answers. So when you get a paragraph, you have to do the last thing we have to twice or thrice you have to read the paragraph and understand it and understand the main points and answer the questions. Okay, that is what we have to do. So I will give you the summary of the comprehension. What is the first comprehension? On page number 208. Sinhalese in Sri Lanka. That's the main heading it is. So you will be reading the paragraph by yourself. Okay, so I will be giving the summary of the paragraph. Sinhalese came in Sri Lanka because of the banishment of the Vijaya, the son of the North Indian king. Because he was very cruel and he used to rob, so along with the 700 men, the lion's son left into a very bad conditioned ship to face his destiny. That is what the first paragraph it is talking about. Sinhalese came in Sri Lanka because of the banishment on Vijaya, the son of the North Indian king. Why he was banished from the kingdom? He was banished from the kingdom because he was very cruel and he used to rob. And along with the 700 men, the son left into a very bad conditioned ship to face his destiny. What was the destiny? That was punishment by death. Punishment by death. When they were traveling to the south, The luck gave them a chance. It was Lord Buddha who blessed them and helped them to reach safely to the west coast of Sri Lanka. So it was luck that Lord Buddha came their way and he blessed them and they reached them safely to the west coast of Sri Lanka. Vijaya and his men settled around Anuradhapuram. So where did they settle? They settled around Anuradhapuram and put the foundation for the Sinhala kingdom. So they have put the foundation for the Sinhali kingdom. It was during the 4th century that was kingdom flourished. In the beginning they settled near rivers because in the mainland human being could not live. Why they could not live? Because there was not enough water. There was scarcity of water. We can say that the need of human beings is a great motivation to make a new life, a new kingdom. Vijaya and his descendants overcame the challenges of the climate. They overcame the challenges of the climate. We can say that it was very hot and humid weather there. So finally what happened? Vijaya and her descendants could do everything bravely and they prospered in an unknown land and they settled there. That is the end of the paragraph. So you have to go through the paragraph again and again, find out the difficult words and the main points from the paragraph and write the question answers in your own words. Okay. And also rest exercise also I will be giving in the next classes. So read out the paragraph again and again and understand it. Thank you for listening.